वासियों के लिए बहुत मदद की है, हेल्प की है, और जिसके वजह से काफ़ी लोगों को इन लोगों का जो हेल्प हुआ है, और हम अपने तरफ से
We have been, facing a very acute problem owing to the, drastic flood situation out here, prevailing here in this place due to the river embankment of the Imphal River. So ever since the submergence of the flood water, the people inhabiting here in this place have been, evacuating in different places, and especially the people, small kids and elderly people, they have been suffering quite a lot. So in this regard, I would like to, appeal the, concerned authority to take up a certain specific measures so as to, so as to subside the damage and the hardship grievances being caused by such natural disaster.
What is the main thing that you have been suffering for your own
Actually, we have been suffering especially from this abode residential problem, because it has been already submerged with water, almost half of the building. So as of now, we have been facing the acute crisis of water, electricity, and even the food access.
Imphal East District has been affected by the incessant rain following this one because of the cyclone Rimal. So we have in Imphal East District, we have seen that a number of villages have been affected by this flood. So as of now, today is 6 June. The water level has receded to a much better level. However, in some of the houses and in some of the localities, the water level is yet to recede, so that people can go back to their homes and start living their normal life. So many departments, the concerned stakeholders like the Water Resources Department, IFCD, PHED, Health, and even and also a lot of voluntary organizations, they've come out to help better improve the situation. So
just now we see that you visited a relief camp and distributed some items also. So what are the programs that you have?
We have been giving dry ration. Our focus earlier was on rescue and evacuation exercise in the initial days. However, that the rescue and evacuation has been now completed. We are now focusing from day one only. We have been giving dry ration. So we have been giving dry ration, and also medical through our health department. We have also been organized a number of health camps. So we have been doing our part. Relief materials have been distributed to the affected households, and after this we'll also be taking up survey, and as per the guidelines and assistance norms, government will decide the needful.